We've just acquired this Ford Focus. It's the diesel ST line, gleaming black metallic, absolutely fantastic condition. It's got quite a few extras in it. It's got the appearance pack 2. The alloy wheels are finished in smoke chrome and are in immaculate condition throughout. Absolutely makes the car look stunning. Never seen them done that colour before. It's got rear park distance control, Parktronic, and factory satellite navigation with sync. As you can see, it's absolutely gleaming. It's got the full ST body styling kit, sun protection or privacy glass to the rear, boot areas in stunning condition, rear seats with the red pipes. I'll start again. Seats have the red stitched piping on them. Got electric windows, electric mirrors. Car's done 72,489 miles. 6-speed gearbox. It's got sync for Bluetooth. Satellite navigation. Air conditioning. USB port. Multifunction steering wheel. DJH will full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.